Imagine looking up at the night sky, not from Earth, but from a world adrift between two galaxies. Instead of a single Milky Way, you see two colossal swirling galaxies locked in a cosmic dance. Your planet doesn't belong to either. It orbits both, a true cosmic nomad. This isn't just science fiction. Astronomers have found rogue stars flung from their home galaxies during collisions. If stars can be ejected, could their planets come along for the ride? Picture a planet still orbiting its star, now tracing a path around the combined centers of two merging galaxies. The universe is far messier than we imagine. Galaxies collide, stars and planets are tossed about. Our own Milky Way is on a collision course with Andromeda. In a few billion years they'll merge, flinging stars and planets into new orbits. In this chaos, a planet could find itself orbiting the shared center of two galaxies. It's a scenario that challenges our ideas of where planets can exist. Is it an intergalactic planet, a bigalactic citizen? Whatever we call it, such a world would force us to see the space between galaxies not as empty, but as a potential home. The stage is set, a galactic merger, stars and planets as actors, gravity as the director. Orbits aren't always neat circles, sometimes they're wild journeys through cosmic upheaval. The existence of a planet between galaxies will redefine what we think of as a planetary home. It's a place of unimaginable scale, where the rules are rewritten. The night sky will be dominated by two galaxies, each a city of billions of stars. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a real possibility, inspired by what we see in the universe today. Such a planet would be a testament to the resilience of planetary systems. It would show us that even in the vast, lonely stretches between galaxies, worlds can survive. The idea pushes us to imagine new frontiers for life and exploration. It's a reminder that the universe is stranger and more dynamic than we ever dreamed. A planet orbiting two galaxies would be a lonely home, but a home nonetheless. It would challenge everything we know about planetary existence, and it would open our eyes to the true scale and wonder of the cosmos. To understand how a planet could orbit two galaxies, we need to talk about gravity, the force that shapes the universe. Gravity isn't just what keeps us on the ground, it sculpts galaxies, pulls them together, and choreographs their cosmic dances. A galaxy's gravity is a vast, invisible whirlpool, holding stars and planets in its grip. But when two galaxies approach, their gravitational fields overlap, creating a turbulent, swirling maelstrom. The galaxies begin to orbit a shared center of mass, like dancers spinning around each other. In this chaotic environment, a star and its planet could be caught by the combined gravity of both galaxies. If they're in just the right place, they might not fall into either galaxy, but instead orbit the shared center. It's like finding a stable point in the eye of a storm, a galactic Lagrange point. The planet wouldn't orbit one galaxy or the other, but the heart of their cosmic dance. This is where a bigalactic planet could exist, a true child of two galactic parents. The gravitational forces would be complex, but stability is possible in the right conditions. Such a planet would be a rare survivor, balanced between two titanic forces. It's a reminder that gravity's reach is both subtle and immense. The universe's grandest structures are shaped by this invisible hand, and sometimes it creates the most unexpected homes for planets. When galaxies merge, it's not a violent crash, stars rarely collide. Instead, their paths are dramatically altered by gravity, flinging star systems onto new trajectories. This process creates tidal tails, long streams of stars, gas, and dust stretching between the merging galaxies. These tidal tails are cosmic bridges, evidence of the gravitational tug of war. For a long time, we thought these tails were fleeting, but they can last hundreds of millions of years. They're the perfect place to look for a planet orbiting two galaxies. A star system ejected from its galaxy to find a new, stable home in the tidal tails. From such a planet, the sky would be breathtaking. One galaxy on one horizon, another on the opposite, and a river of stars all around. This is a new frontier for planetary science, not quite inside a galaxy, not quite in the middle. The rules here are different, lower star density, darker skies, and more radiation environments. Yet, these regions are real, observable with our telescopes. The antennae and mice galaxies are laboratories for understanding the cosmic collision. Planets and tidal tails will experience the universe in flux, fates tied to the grand independence of the cosmos. It's a place where the boundaries of planetary existence are pushed to the limit, and it's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. The space between galaxies may be the next great frontier for finding new worlds. Life on a planet between two galaxies would be anything but ordinary. Its orbit would be vast and complex, shaped by the shifting gravity of two merging giants. The planet's own orbit around its star might remain stable, but the larger galactic orbit would introduce subtle, long-term changes. Over millennia, the night sky would transform. Sometimes one galaxy dominates, sometimes the other, sometimes both are distant smudges. The light from these galaxies would create a perpetual glow, brighter than Earth's starlight, perhaps as bright as a full moon. This constant galactic shine would shape the evolution of life, altering sleep cycles and behaviors. The planet's environment would be in flux, with its view and conditions changing over millions of years. It would be a world of extremes, sometimes close to the galactic core, sometimes adrift in darkness. Such a planet would be a living record of cosmic change, its history written in the stars above. And for any life there, the universe would be a stage of endless transformation. The climate of a planet between galaxies is a delicate balance. Its star remains the main source of heat, but the galactic environment adds complexity. Tidal tails are filled with gas and dust. Passing through denser clouds could alter the planet's atmosphere and trigger epic meteor challenges. Radiation from the galactic core, especially during mergers, could pose a threat, stripping away atmospheres or challenging life. The planet's orbit could drive long-term climate changes. Closer to the core means more radiation, farther out means colder, lonelier stretches. These cosmic seasons would last millions of years, creating cycles of intense activity and quiet isolation. The planet's survival would depend on its atmosphere and magnetic field to shield it from cosmic hazards. Life, if it exists, would have to adapt to these slow, dramatic changes. The climate would be unlike anything on Earth, shaped by forces on a galactic scale. It's a world where cosmic weather is as real as rain and sunshine, and every orbit would bring new challenges and opportunities for survival. The story of such a planet is one of resilience in the face of the universe's wildest extremes. How does a planet end up between two galaxies? Most likely, it formed inside a galaxy and was ejected during a merger, a rogue planet, exiled with its star. Forming a planet in the sparse tidal tails is much harder. The material is too diffuse for typical planet formation. If a planet did form there, it would be very different, perhaps smaller with fewer heavy elements. The unique environment could lead to new kinds of planetary systems, challenging our theories. Where a planet is born shapes its destiny. Location matters in the cosmos. A planet between galaxies is a survivor, its existence a story of cosmic upheaval and resilience. Finding a planet orbiting a star between two galaxies is a monumental challenge. Our usual methods, transits and radial velocity, struggle with faint, distant, fast-moving stars and tidal tails. We'd need to identify true extragalactic stars, measuring their distance, motion, and chemistry. Gravitational microlensing offers hope. It can reveal planets by the way their gravity bends light from background stars. Even then, confirming such a planet would require years of careful observation, but the reward would be immense, a new category of planetary real estate. It would prove that planets can survive galactic chaos and thrive in the most unexpected places. The search is difficult, but the discovery would transform our understanding of where worlds can exist. It's a cosmic treasure hunt, with the universe as our map. Could a planet between galaxies support life? The odds are long, but life is tenacious. Harsh radiation, long cosmic winters, and unstable climates would challenge any living thing. Yet, on Earth, life thrives in extremes: deep oceans, boiling springs, frozen wastes. The ingredients for life, water, energy, organic molecules, could still be present. Life here might evolve underground, hibernate for millennia, or adapt to the faint, constant galactic shine. Its rhythms would be set by cosmic cycles, not simple days and nights. The challenges would drive evolution in unpredictable directions. Such a world would force us to broaden our definition of habitability. The universe may be more creative than we imagine. Life could flourish in the wildest frontiers. The discovery of such a planet would redefine what it means to be alive in the cosmos. It would remind us that life's story might be written in the most unexpected places. The idea of a planet orbiting two galaxies connects us to the universe's grand story. Our Milky Way is on a collision course with Andromeda. One day, our own solar system could be flung into a tidal tail. Exploring these possibilities stretches our science and our imagination. It pushes us to ask, where are the true boundaries for planets and life? Every new discovery teaches us more about the cosmic world. We look to the stars to understand ourselves, driven by a timeless curiosity. The quest to find a bigalactic planet is part of our journey to know our place in the universe. We are explorers on a vast cosmic ocean, just beginning to chart its shores. A world between galaxies will show us that the universe is bigger, stranger, and more magnificent than we ever imagined. And it will fill us with wonder for all the worlds still waiting to be found.